How to get trip.com promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box. Type in trip.com promo code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com, as this is a legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers with trip.com. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. $10 off, 50% off, 70% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Now you can copy the code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can click on redeem at trip.com. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can go ahead and book your flight and process your checkout. While you're in the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers for trip.com. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Likewise, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to another website. This one, groupon.com. This is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for trip. Once you're on the website, just scroll and check out the offers and grab the offer that you want to use. So this way you can easily get trip.com promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.